Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce security breaches with McAfee. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching your internet browser. Navigate to the McAfee website. Locate the download section for the McAfee software. Select the appropriate version for your device. Click the download button and wait for the installation file to download. Once the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install McAfee on your device. Once installed, open the McAfee application. You will see a dashboard displaying your security status. Select the option for a security scan. Initiate a full scan to detect any existing threats. Wait for the scan to complete and review the results. If any threats are found, follow the prompts to quarantine or remove them. Next, enable the firewall feature in the McAfee settings. Go to the firewall section in the application. Ensure that your firewall is turned on to block unauthorized access. Move to the web protection section to enable web security features. Activate the phishing protection and browser protection options. This will help guard against malicious websites and online scams. Then, check the software update settings. Make sure automatic updates are enabled for McAfee. Regular updates help protect against the latest threats. Consider enabling the VPN feature for secure internet browsing. This will encrypt your online activities and protect your data. Review any additional security features offered by McAfee. Explore options like identity theft protection and file encryption. Finally, regularly monitor your security status through the dashboard. Conduct periodic scans to ensure ongoing protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.